guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today's video is a little bit different because in today's video I'm going to show you earrings haul which I recently got. So all the earrings are from different Instagram store, and these are the earrings which I wanted to buy since long and I was eyeing on them, and I got these earrings on sale or on the normal price also. And yeah, these are the trending earrings which is just going right now and everyone is like wow. So I thought I need to show you guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, then hi, it's Mokshali and I make videos on beauty and sometimes on travel. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you get notified. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, talking about the first earring, these are my favorite earring because I like oxidized earring a lot, and when it comes to oxidized thing I just feel like मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे ये भी चाहिए. So I got two oxidized earring as in the silver earrings, and I got this from the online store, from Instagram store called the KK store. They have their own website and Instagram page, and they sell very nice and affordable earrings, and you guys will get normal earrings. Then you guys can just go and check it out. I'll leave the link of their Instagram store in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. And yes, talking about the earring, this comes in this packaging. This is a very nice cute packaging in this plastic box, and I got two earrings from them. I'll just show you guys. The first one is this one. This is the scissor earring. It is really very nice and pretty. You guys can see. Okay. It has very nice and cute detailing, and this looks so nice and so unique. I haven't seen this kind of earrings anywhere, and when I wear it, it looks really very nice. Also, I'll leave a video over here so you guys can see how it looks on me. And yes, this is so pretty, guys, and the quality is also very nice, and it is really very sturdy, and it comes with a lock thing over here. So guys, talking about the another earring which is one of my favorite from this haul, and this comes in this thing and plugged in this cardboard thing, and yeah, it gets the support. And this is the earring, guys. This is so pretty. You guys can see the detailing. It is totally oxidized, and this looks really very nice. It has this ghungru thing over here, so it makes very cute noise, and this is super lightweight. So if you are the person who wants to wear long earring but you won't feel comfortable in big earrings due to weight, so just purchase this, guys. This is super lightweight. Just see, it is very much lightweight, and the detailing is also really very nice. You will get this two back thing over here and extra two things, so in case if you just missed it, you will get the another one. And yeah guys, it is really very nice and really very beautiful. So the next earring which I got is from Forever Chic store, and they have sent these earrings to Komal Pandey, and it got so viral. Everyone was just looking around for these earrings, and I also like got my eyes on this earring, and I thought that I need to buy this. And these are the chain earrings which is trending right now like crazy, and you guys can see this is so lightweight, guys, and when you wear it gives you a very nice and elegant look. And yeah, this is pretty much lightweight, and yeah, when you wear it, it looks really very nice on everything which you wear. So if you are the person who wants to just try on different things like different earrings, then you must buy this one. This is really very nice. Also, it is affordable, so yeah, you guys can just get your hands on this one. So the next earring which I got is also from Forever Chic store. Like I got these two earrings in combo, and yeah, this is the regular hoop which says baby girl. I have hoops, but I don't have something like this. Like, this is really very different, and when you wear this, it looks really very nice and it is eye-catching as well. So I thought that I should give this one a try. Also, they have some different things written over here, but I got this one, says baby girl. And yeah, these are the regular hoops in golden color, and I guess they had this one color only. So yeah, this is also really very nice if you're wearing a nice white top, and if you're going somewhere out, then this also gives you a very nice and elegant look. So guys, talking about the earring, I also got two earrings from Jewelish, which is this one, and this is the Instagram page of theirs, and it has written Jewelish. And yeah, I got two earrings from this site, and I'll just show you. They also gave me a complimentary earring. I have purchased two earrings, and they also gave me complimentary apple earring, which is really very cute and nice. Earrings which I got from Jewelish is this Moschino earrings, and this looks so nice, guys. This looks literally luxurious, and the quality of the earring is also really very nice. And when you just wear this, it looks so nice, so rich and elegant. And this is a little bit longer, so yeah, if you are the person who likes long earrings, then this gives you a very nice and elegant look. And I have also worn this in the recent video of mine, so you guys can check it out. I'll also leave the video over here, that how it looks on me. And yeah, I just love this one. This is really very nice, and it gives you a very nice and very rich look. So the next earring which I got, and I have just seen everyone wearing on Instagram like hell, and it was looking so nice on everyone that I thought that I need to give it a try. And I saw these earrings. I was just watching Sarah Sarosh video. She was wearing this earring, and she just mentioned Jewelish, so I went there and I ordered this earrings, and this is the earring, guys. It is looking so nice. It is in golden color, and this gives you a very nice and very rich look. You guys can wear it on anything, and this is just trending right now. And yeah, I got my hands on this earrings. This is also really very nice, very lightweight, and it looks very elegant. When you wear it, you can just top it with anything, and this will go on everything. You guys can just wear a nice golden simple chain, and you can wear this one. This also looks really very nice. So this is a definitely buy from my end, and yeah, I just love it. So guys, now I have two studs, like two very small earrings, and the one I got from Jewelish, like I got this one free, and this one is the earring which I got, apple pattern and a small diamond in between. And this looks really very nice and cute if you're wearing any tee, and if you want just small studs, then this is the perfect thing. You guys can get nearby your store also. So yeah, this is really very cute. So the next stud which I'm talking about is this one. This is in the pearlish and lemon kind of in color, and it has this triangle thing going around, and this also looks really very nice and sturdy. Like, studs give you a very nice and simple look. So on regular day when you're doing nothing, then you guys can wear this kind of earrings. This will also give you a very nice and simple look. Also guys, last but not the least, I have my mother's earrings. She gave me a long time ago, but I wanted to show in this haul because this one is also really very nice. I think like this one is currently trending because it is in golden color and the chain pattern is going all around. And this is the earring of my mother. Can you believe, guys, this is 25 years old earring, and this is looking very nice and very elegant. You guys can wear it on anything, and yeah, this goes on both ethnic wear and western wear, and this gives you a very nice and simple rich look. So yeah guys, I hope you guys loved my earring collection. I am a huge sucker for earrings, so I just buy earrings frequently when I wish I would like to buy new things. So yeah, this was my earring collection, and if you guys loved it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, all the earrings earrings Instagram store. I have mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. And yes guys, I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.